In the face of adversity, the test of character lies not in avoiding falls, but in the audacity to rise stronger after every stumble. Embrace the challenge with unwavering resolve, for within the depths of defeat lies the seed of unparalleled triumph. Harness the power of resilience. Let it fuel your spirit and ignite the fire within. Every setback is a mere detour, not a dead end. Stand tall, warriors of the soul, and reclaim your destiny with unyielding determination to make the greatest comeback of your life. Forge your path with unwavering courage and unshakable faith. Draw upon past lessons to sculpt a future adorned with victory. Dust off the remnants of doubt and insecurity, for they hold no dominion over the indomitable human spirit. Embrace the journey with open arms, for the stars shine brightest in the darkest hours. Seize this moment, for the greatest comeback of your life awaits. Welcome to Stoic Philosopher Insights, your compass to intentional living. You're in the right place if you crave purpose and resilience in your day. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Stoic wisdom. It lets YouTube know that you find our content valuable. Let's build a community of intentional living. I encourage you to watch until the end for a better understanding and perspective as we delve into 12 timeless, practical, and proven ways to make the greatest comeback of your life. Before we begin, keep this in mind. Remember, your greatest comeback begins the moment you refuse to stay down. Harness your inner strength, summon your courage, and let your comeback story be one for the ages. 1. Recognize the setback and rise again. A pivotal step in the Stoic journey of making the greatest comeback is acknowledging the fall and summoning the resilience to rise again. This involves profoundly accepting setbacks and failures as integral parts of the human experience. Stoicism teaches us not to be defeated by misfortune, but to use it as a catalyst for growth. By acknowledging the fall, one gains clarity about the current situation, eliminating the veils of denial or self-pity. Getting back up is a testament to Stoic strength, emphasizing cultivating an indomitable spirit. Stoicism encourages individuals to face challenges with a mindset that perceives adversity as an opportunity for learning and improvement. This acknowledgement and subsequent resilience create a powerful synergy, allowing one to harness the energy of setbacks as a driving force towards a greater comeback. It's about understanding that failures are not permanent states but temporary deviations from the path to virtue and personal excellence. In the Stoic philosophy, the ability to rise after a fall is not just a physical act, but a profound spiritual and mental exercise, embodying the essence of fortitude and wisdom in the face of life's inevitable trials. 2. Take action. Take action encapsulates the proactive approach needed to turn aspirations into reality. It's a powerful reminder that progress is born not from idle contemplation, but from deliberate and consistent steps forward. By urging us to take action, the phrase emphasizes the importance of initiative and momentum in achieving our goals. It encourages us to break free from inertia and complacency, and instead, to embrace the transformative power of motion. Moreover, take action underscores the significance of starting small. It acknowledges that incremental efforts and persistent dedication realize even the grandest ambitions. Each small step brings us closer to our objectives, laying the foundation for success brick by brick. This phrase also catalyzes overcoming fear and doubt. It encourages us to confront uncertainty and embrace the unknown, knowing that action breeds confidence and courage. Essentially, take action is a rallying cry for empowerment and self-actualization. It empowers us to seize control of our destinies, pursue our passions with unwavering resolve, and embark on a journey of growth and fulfillment, one deliberate step at a time. 3. Defy the odds. It encapsulates the courageous act of transcending limitations and rewriting the narrative of one's life. It's a declaration of independence from the constraints of past circumstances, urging us to chart a new course guided by our aspirations and potential. By refusing to be defined by our past, we embrace the transformative power of resilience and determination. It's a call to reject the notion of inevitability and carve our path towards a brighter future. Defy the Odds acknowledges the challenges and obstacles that stand in our way, but refuses to let them dictate our destiny. It ignites a spark of defiance within us, compelling us to push beyond the boundaries of what is deemed possible and to strive for greatness against all odds. To defy the odds is to embody the spirit of perseverance and possibility, daring to dream big and pursue our aspirations with unwavering courage and conviction. 4. Self-reflection is the cornerstone of personal growth and development. It entails delving deep into our experiences, examining the factors contributing to setbacks, and extracting valuable lessons from them. By engaging in introspection, we gain insight into our thoughts, emotions, and actions, allowing us to identify patterns and behaviors that may have hindered our progress. Through self-reflection, we cultivate a heightened awareness of our strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. We take ownership of our choices and decisions, acknowledging our role in the outcome of events. This level of accountability empowers us to make positive changes and chart a more fulfilling path forward. Moreover, self-reflection fosters resilience by reframing setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth. Instead of dwelling on past failures, we approach them with curiosity and openness, seeking to understand the underlying causes and implications. In doing so, we develop a mindset of continuous improvement, viewing challenges as stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. Self-reflection is a transformative practice that enables us to evolve into our best selves. It deepens our understanding of who we are and what we stand for, guiding us towards greater self-awareness and fulfillment. By embracing the lessons from setbacks, we harness the power of introspection to propel us towards success and resilience in all aspects of life. 5. Unleash your potential. Unleash your potential is a clarion call to awaken dormant abilities and tap into the vast reservoirs of talent and capability within oneself. It beckons individuals to break free from self-imposed limitations and embrace the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. By unleashing their potential, individuals unlock doors to unprecedented growth and achievement, paving the way for a comeback of unparalleled magnitude. It signifies a willingness to push beyond comfort zones, explore uncharted territories, and strive for excellence in every endeavor. This phrase underscores the transformative power of self-belief and determination. It encourages individuals to trust their innate abilities and pursue their aspirations with unwavering resolve. In doing so, they discover new facets of themselves and inspire others to do the same. In essence, to unleash your potential is to embark on a journey of self-discovery and actualization, where every obstacle becomes an opportunity, and every setback a stepping stone toward greatness. 6. Rise stronger. To rise stronger is to epitomize the indomitable spirit within every individual. It's a call to action, a declaration of resilience in the face of adversity. When life's trials threaten to break us, it's in the act of rising stronger that our true strength is revealed. Every stumble, every setback, serves as a crucible, forging us into beings of unyielding fortitude. It's not merely about getting back up, it's about rising with a newfound sense of purpose, determination, and wisdom. It's about acknowledging the pain and the challenges, and using them as stepping stones toward growth and self-discovery. To rise stronger is to harness the lessons embedded within our struggles, transforming them into sources of empowerment. It's about embracing vulnerability and understanding that it's through our scars that we find our greatest strength. With each rise, we shed the weight of doubt and fear, emerging as warriors of resilience fueled by the fires of our own resilience. In the journey to rise stronger, setbacks become opportunities, obstacles become pathways, and defeats become the fuel that propels us toward our aspirations. It's a testament to the human spirit's capacity to endure, evolve, and emerge triumphant, no matter the odds. So, embrace the challenge of the journey and rise stronger than ever. 7. Stay positive. Maintaining a positive attitude, especially during challenging times, is a powerful mindset that can significantly impact our well-being and resilience. It involves consciously focusing on the good, seeking growth opportunities, and approaching obstacles with optimism rather than pessimism. When we stay positive, we cultivate a sense of hope and possibility, which can help us navigate adversity more effectively. Instead of dwelling on the negative aspects of a situation, we shift our perspective towards finding solutions and silver linings. A positive attitude also influences how we interact with others and the energy we bring into our relationships and environments. It can inspire and uplift those around us, creating a supportive and encouraging atmosphere that fosters collaboration and mutual support. Moreover, maintaining a positive attitude can enhance our mental and emotional well-being. It reduces stress, boosts resilience, and improves overall psychological health. By focusing on the positive aspects of life, we cultivate gratitude and appreciation for our blessings, even amidst challenges. It's important to acknowledge that staying positive doesn't mean ignoring or denying the existence of difficulties. Rather, it's about acknowledging the challenges while choosing to respond to them in a constructive and optimistic manner. Staying positive is a mindset that empowers us to overcome adversity, bounce back from setbacks, and embrace life's journey with resilience and optimism. It's a daily choice, affirming our belief in the power of hope, courage, and perseverance. 8. Turn pain into power. Turning pain into power is the alchemy of the human spirit, a transformative process where adversity fuels unparalleled growth. Embrace the raw emotions, the heartaches, and the setbacks, for they are the catalysts that ignite the flames of resilience within. In the crucible of struggle, find the strength to persevere, to rise above the circumstances that seek to define you. Let each trial and tribulation be a stepping stone towards the summit of your aspirations. Instead of allowing pain to shackle you, harness its energy to propel you forward, driving you closer to your goals. Channel your anguish into determination, your tears into fuel for your fire. Let the scars of your past be badges of honor, testaments to your unwavering resolve. For it's not the pain that defines you, but how you respond to it. Every setback lies the seed of opportunity, waiting to be cultivated into greatness. Embrace the transformation process, knowing you emerge more robust and resilient through adversity. Turn your pain into power, and let it be the force that propels you towards the pinnacle of success. 9. Stopping procrastination. This requires a combination of self-awareness, effective time management, and mindset shifts. Begin by understanding the underlying reasons for procrastination, such as fear of failure, perfectionism, or feeling overwhelmed. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps, making them less daunting and more accessible to start. Set specific, achievable goals and deadlines to create accountability and structure. Eliminate distractions, create a conducive work environment, and prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. Practice the 2-minute rule by starting tasks immediately if they take less than 2 minutes to complete. Cultivate a growth mindset focusing on progress rather than perfection, and learn to forgive yourself for setbacks. Develop positive habits, such as setting aside dedicated time for work and incorporating regular breaks for rest and rejuvenation. Surround yourself with supportive individuals, encourage and motivate you to stay focused and committed to your goals. By implementing these strategies consistently, you can overcome procrastination and enhance productivity and overall well-being. 10. Change your environment and surround yourself with winners. Changing your environment and surrounding yourself with winners is a powerful personal growth and success strategy. Immersing yourself in a supportive and inspiring atmosphere creates fertile ground for positive change and achievement. Firstly, changing your environment involves altering your physical and social spaces. This could mean seeking new opportunities, joining communities aligned with your goals, or relocating to places that foster growth and innovation. Remember, don't be afraid to change the environment when your location does not align with your goals. Surrounding yourself with winners means associating with individuals who are driven, ambitious, and supportive of your aspirations. These individuals serve as mentors, role models, and sources of inspiration, offering valuable insights, encouragement, and accountability along your journey. Ultimately, by curating an environment that nurtures growth and surrounds yourself with individuals who embody success, you position yourself for greatness and empower yourself to reach new heights of achievement and fulfillment. 11. Ignite Your Spirit encapsulates the profound awakening of inner strength and passion, catalyzing a remarkable comeback journey. It's a call to action, urging us to reconnect with the deepest recesses of our being and harness the boundless energy that resides within. By igniting our spirit, we awaken dormant aspirations and reignite forgotten dreams, infusing our endeavors with purpose and vitality. It's about tapping into our inner reservoir of resilience and determination, allowing it to fuel our pursuit of redemption and success. This phrase acknowledges that true transformation begins from within, as we kindle the flames of motivation and perseverance that propel us forward. It's a reminder that our greatest power source lies not in external circumstances, but in the unwavering resolve of our spirit. In essence, to ignite your spirit is to embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, embracing the full potential of who we are and what we can become. 12. A slight obstacle paves the way for a significant comeback. A minor obstacle can be a crucial stepping stone toward a substantial recovery in the Stoic context. Stoicism emphasizes viewing challenges as opportunities for growth, and a slight obstacle, when approached with a Stoic mindset, becomes a catalyst for resilience and self-improvement. Instead of perceiving the obstacle as a roadblock, a Stoic individual recognizes it as a chance to exercise patience, perseverance, and courage. The minor setback becomes a testing ground for the character, an opportunity to refine one's response to adversity. Stoicism encourages a pragmatic assessment of the situation, distinguishing between what can be controlled and what cannot. This discernment allows for a focused and efficient allocation of energy, mitigating the impact of the obstacle. The Stoic philosophy views setbacks as temporary and, in many cases, necessary for personal development. Overcoming a slight obstacle fosters a sense of accomplishment and strengthens one's resilience for more significant challenges. By navigating these minor hurdles, individuals build the skills and mindset required for a substantial recovery. The Stoic approach transforms a minor setback from an impediment into a strategic opportunity, paving the way for a profound and meaningful comeback. Embrace Stoicism for emotional resilience and inner peace. Please share, like, and subscribe for insightful and more Stoic wisdom. Let's build a community of intentional living. Stay safe, stay Stoic. Thanks for watching.